Tips for networking and building relationships as an introvert entrepreneur. As an introvert, networking can feel like a nightmare. You have to talk to strangers about your small business and its products. However, relationships are crucial for growth as an entrepreneur. Without solid relationships that extend beyond the walls of your office, it's difficult to grow a business from scrappy startup to successful enterprise. You just need to find the right approach to networking as an introverted entrepreneur so that it benefits you rather than drains you. In this video, we are going to explore some tips on how you can build relationships and become an effective networker as an introvert entrepreneur. Networking basics for introverts. As an introvert entrepreneur, you have to be able to building relationships. This means you have to be able to start a conversation with anyone you meet. You also have to be able to keep the conversation going. No matter if you are networking face-to-face or online, these are the basic skills you need to have. Communication is a two-way process. It's not just about what you say, but also how you say it. You want to be considerate and aware of how your body language is affecting the conversation. Make sure you're not crossing your arms or legs. Don't be afraid to make eye contact. Keep your tone of voice light and friendly. Networking doesn't have to be awkward. The key thing to remember here is that networking is just a fancy term for meeting new people, so all the advice for meeting people you don't know also applies here. If you're about to attend an event where you don't know anybody, try to go with a friend. This will help to break the ice and make things less awkward for you. If you're meeting people online, try to make the first message short and friendly. Don't try to sell yourself or your business in the first message, but instead focus on building a friendly introduction. Ask them if they're interested in a certain topic, or find out what they do for a living. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions if you don't understand the other person's reply. Build relationships in advance. If you can, try to build relationships in advance. This could be anything from connecting with people on social media to attending events or online communities related to your industry. The more you put yourself out there and engage with people, the easier it will be to start conversations and make connections. Social media is a great way to connect with people in your industry. You can follow people on Twitter and engage with them there. You can also follow people on LinkedIn and engage with them there by liking and commenting on their posts. You can also try to start your own blog. This is a great way to establish yourself as an expert in your field and connect with people. Networking doesn't have to be face-to-face. You don't have to attend networking events to meet potential partners, customers, and investors for your business. You can also engage with people through online forums and communities. You can connect with people in your industry on sites like LinkedIn or on specific forums related to your business. Make sure you're following the rules of engagement for the particular platform. You can also try to reach out to people in your network without even talking to them. You can offer to write guest posts for their blogs, or you can offer to be interviewed for their podcasts. You can also try your hand at cold calling. Networking events aren't your only option. As an introvert entrepreneur, you might feel that networking events are the only option for meeting new people. However, there are plenty of other ways to meet new people and build relationships. You could try to attend conferences in your industry. You could also try to join a mastermind group. Alternatively, you can try to start your own mastermind group. You can also try to engage with people socially. You can go to bars and cafes where your target market likes to spend their time. You can also join sports and other social clubs. Conclusion. Networking is crucial for entrepreneurs of all personality types. However, it can be a lot easier for extroverted individuals. As an introvert entrepreneur, you might feel that networking is a real challenge. But there are plenty of things you can do to make it easier. The key thing to remember is that networking is just a fancy term for meeting new people. You don't have to be an extrovert to be successful, you just have to make sure you are respectful